Morning of day 3. We're all packed up. Got Shane in his boat. Mine's loaded up. The water came up quite a bit. Yes, not quite a bit. Came up a bit. Should make this last little section pretty fun. Got a little push to it, and we've got a few miles to the takeout, and we're done. Be sure to check out Shane's channel, The River Paddlers. He does a really good job of these kayaking videos, and I've learned a lot from him. It's been great to get out for my first time kayak camping, and I owe it all to him, so give him a shout out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Not a real clear path.
Over here it's not as bad.
Okay.
Just walk.
I'll try to get it that way. Oh, this ain't bad. We got a couple lines just right here.
What do you think you're gonna do?
Maybe that middle.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
This looks like it could be a little bumpy, a little rock in it. That'd been a good one right there. That was a good one too. She caught that eddy and watch Shane go through. Tired. It's been fun. I'm ready to go home. I miss my girls. Miss my dog. It's starting to feel more and more like the new river that I'm used to, the upper new and stuff, as I go right up on this rock. Boom. Started to. Rapids ain't as big, but just the way the water moves, the rocks. Yeah, feeling a lot more like the upper new on this bottom part. The last rapid, takeouts right afterwards.
But there's not a ton of current above it, so we're going to have to climb back up anyway.
Right. We're going to try to hit this island and scout this last one. It's blue herring right here. Watch him.
I mean, if I can slip the way I'll just do it.
I'm going to assess as I get closer. There's definitely some juicier lines over there, but I can't see. But this looks straightforward. Oh yeah, this big boy. Might have been some bigger holes over there, but this was probably the best wave train.
Yeah. Good way to end.
Yeah, definitely. That was a good rapper. Hi there. You're pretty. Hi there, Miss Tang. See ya. Country roads take me home to the place that I belong in West Virginia. Mountain Mama, take me home. Country road.